Hello, and welcome to your Tuesday afternoon yogi smoke break. Today, my affirmation is I choose gratitude, especially because this is the week of the Summit of Greatness, awesome motivational conference in Columbus, Ohio, that I get to go to, along with several other yogi smoke break teachers, such as my buddy Nathan Todd and Rainey King, who started all of this, and Michelle. And I love, love, love that there are so many people from across the country that I know through either the Summit of Greatness or through Yogi Smoke Breaks. So I'm very grateful for the community that this wonderful technology can provide. So I look forward to connecting with so many new people, especially since last year I attended the Summit of Greatness all by myself. And one thing has led to another ever since last year's Summit of Greatness. So hopefully several of us Yogi Smoke Break teachers get to do a Yogi Smoke Break together at the Summit of Greatness live in just a couple of days. So this brings me to today's Yogi Smoke Break, in which we choose gratitude. And even if there are all kinds of crazy things going on, and maybe you're like me and you broke your phone today, and a lot of things maybe haven't gone as planned, we get to focus on the abundance in our lives. So one of the things that helps me to do that is breathing. And so I'm going to start with just some cleansing breaths. Breathing in through the nose, powerful candle breath out. And one of the things I love in Kundalini yoga is I love the miracle bend, which is technically done standing, but in Yogi Smoke Breaks, we adapt all of our yoga poses so that they can be done while seated. So for the miracle bend, we can buckle our thumbs like this. Starting down, we inhale up and arch our backs back. Inhale. We are bending out the negative emotions and creating balance. Releasing tension in the neck and shoulders. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. And one last powerful inhale up. Arching back as far as we can comfortably go. Realizing that we are releasing negative emotions and releasing with an exhale down. All right, next, I'm starting with a spinal twist in which the hands are on the shoulders, fingers are in front, thumbs are behind, and I am inhaling to the left and exhaling to the right. And the more powerful the breath, the more effective the movements will be, because, of course, the most important thing with yoga and meditation and being present is focus on the breath. And let's see, the last one that I'm going to do today is we're going to do the version of cat and cow, in which it's like we're giving ourselves a hug. And in order to do this, we normally in yoga, we move the body up as we inhale and the body goes down as we exhale. To do this today, we are going to move our own arms up like we're giving someone a hug with the inhale. And exhaling, giving ourselves a hug, thinking about self-love as we move the body down and arch the back down into cats. Inhaling up, like you're giving someone a hug. Stretching, exhaling down, giving yourself a hug, exhaling down, arching the back like a scared cat. Inhaling up, exhaling down. All right, and to end with a meditation, anything that helps us focus on the present and just being is a powerful meditation. And my favorite Kundalini meditation is the meditation to act, not react, in which we inhale for 3 seconds with our hands in Gyan Mudra. And a mudra is a hand position. Gyan Mudra specifically is when the index finger and the thumb are touching. And with the other hand straight up. And we will inhale with a whistle. And as I inhale, I like to focus on whatever it is that I wish to encompass. So today it's peace and calm and just being. And so with each inhale, I focus on something else I wish to encompass. And inhaling with a whistle for a count of 3. Holding on to it at the top for a count of 3. Powerful cannon breath out. Releasing anything that does not serve us. Inhaling what I wish to encompass. Holding on to it at the top of the breath. Releasing what does not serve me. One last inhaling all that I wish to encompass. Holding on to it at the top of the breath. And powerful cannon breath, releasing anything that does not serve me. All right. Thank you for taking the time to be calm and present and realizing that as we have this calm and presence in our lives, we are able to best radiate it to others around us. Thank you. And we will see you at the Summit of Greatness.